Good morning! Today here at Mago we are so excited to show you the native integration of Neat Bar devices running MTR, so Microsoft Team Room System, Neat Pad and Neat Board 50, but this is available also for Neat Frame and also Neat devices running Mago for display. So first of all you need to go on your Neat Pools account and then create a group between MTR. In this case, I have MTR plus Mago. That means I created a group of devices, and then on interactive screen devices, you have to select the devices, going to the device setting apps, and then at the end, when you choose the Mago application, you need to activate this extra feature that's called Neat Share. So enabling this, it's immediately visible on your device running Mago on Neat, this button called Neat Share. It's easy, so just pressing this button you see the orange, and this is streamed immediately like an HDMI input without any need to press button on Team Rooms, and then you can have your interactive experience on also MTR environment. Case number one, so I start a new Teams call from my Neat Bar Gen2, and MTR is automatically starting our video call, and as soon as it's available on the pad, I will search for my colleague. So now I search for my colleague, or here we go. Hi Luca. So now how I can share a presentation or collaborate with the meeting board from this screen. I can immediately press this Neat Share button, and as soon as it's orange, you see it's immediately streamed and ingested automatically into the Teams room. So now Luca is ready to see what's happened on this interactive device. An example, I can connect my device just following the instruction on the screen. An example, I want to cast, I go to magolink.com and then I put the 6-digit code requested here, hitting connect, so I can screen share or present file without installing an application. So screen sharing, I can choose Chrome tab, application, or entire screen, including the audio. And now my device is automatically shared into the meeting, and you see now on both screens. So it's real time, and then I'm able to play everything that I want. An example, I can open files, or I can search on YouTube and play video, and then you see video synced on both devices, and also Luca is able to see this. So now stopping sharing. Second use case, so let me show you how is powerful the collaboration between MTR and the Neat Board 50 running Mago for display. So I just press Neat Share and now it's remotely shared, and on the Neat Board 50 I press collaborate. So bringing the active marker, I'm able now to start my agenda. An example, agenda 1, blah, 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 2, 3. So this is normal whiteboard. What is so powerful is behind this plus button. So I can scan the QR code, and avoiding to use USB key, I'm accessing securely to my OneDrive, Google Drive, or any cloud drive. So just drag and drop files. What is integrated is the image search. So if I want to search something on Google Images, I just write here what I want to search, and then I can tap on the image. When I see the preview here in high definition, tapping and releasing, so you have now the image. And then you synchronize that you see real time remotely. So on MTR, people see what I'm doing on this amazing device. Second is YouTube. But the same way, we have YouTube integrations, so we can search, example, the same keyword, Neat Board. Here we have a video now, so tapping on the video, we have the preview, and then we can just click add to board to see this video also replicated remotely. And everything is real time, tapping here, playing the video, is synchronized across the MTR experience and the Neat Board Pro device. So now I stop this video searching for other cool feature. We have 3D model search, we have connected Sketchfab, and then you can also search for website, and one of my preferred is maps. So let me search Duomo Milano, that we are in Milano now. And here you can navigate because it's Google Maps. And in example, I want to see the street view of this amazing integration. And then I can capture, example, this frame just pressing screenshot window or screenshot area. So if I just need to capture something of this area. Here we go. Everything is synchronized and is ready for the collaboration. The last use case is presenting content on this screen during a Teams call, and thanks to these magic buttons that is already connected because it's orange, I'm able to stream directly this device into the Teams call. So now to connect my laptop, I just follow the instruction on the screen, and an example here, we have a 6-digit code. My device now is connected and I follow the instruction on my device to screen share or present file. So hitting screen share, I can choose between Chrome tab, application, or entire screen, including audio. So now my screen is remotely streamed into the session of both devices, so it's real time, and we are still in the Teams video call. Nothing to press, nothing to introduce, hassle-free solution for casting. An example, we can also see YouTube video at the next level. An example, you will see my video, it's streamed live into both devices. So there is a very, very low latency, and also remote people are able to see this. For more information, visit mago.io, or from 13 to 17 October, don't hesitate to stop at Dubai GITEX, where me and my expert are available to introduce to all the new features. Thank you.